everyone, this is Priyanka from Memory Keepers. We are gonna continue with our series of Valentine's shaker cards, and this one is going to be a see-through shaker card. So for that I'm taking yellow cardstock and I'm gonna cut it to 8 3/4 inches. We are making like a slimline card, so I'm gonna cut to 8 3/4 by 10 1/4, and then I'm gonna score at 5 1/8. Like this. Okay, now on this base I'm gonna cut a window. Okay, we are just gonna cut it to 10 inches, so I have cut it 1/8 inch extra, so I've cut that. Now this is 5 inches broad. Okay, now on this window I'm gonna cut a 1/2 inch frame, and for that I'm just gonna cut and I'll be back. And so now this is my window. Okay guys, so next step is, after you have cut your window, you're gonna put some chipboard pieces on the frame on the outside of the card. Okay, if your chipboard is thin, you can layer it up just like I have laid 2 layers of chipboard, stick them together, and then I have pasted it, and then I have made pencil marks and cut and this paste. So the next step is I just put this chipboard, and to make these joints like plain, I have just put 4 pieces of tape so that they join together. Now after this I have cut 2 pieces of acetate. They are measuring 4 5/8 by 8 1/4, and then I'm gonna put tape on both the pieces, like on the perimeter of this 1/4 inch of tape. Now I have just removed the tape backing from one of the acetate pieces. My card, inside of my card, I'm just gonna put this acetate, making sure that I'm just sticking it on the cardstock, and then carefully I'm just gonna burnish this so that my acetate sticks nicely to the cardstock. After you have done this, just come to the front of your piece, and then you're gonna fill this up with your shaker.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly.
Now after this, when you've done with this, you can either take a piece of pattern paper and you can stick on the inside, so that when you see from the top, you can see this design. And if you don't want this to be there, so you can simply leave it plain, and we can do some message or something on top of this, and we'll have to cover this area with our pattern paper, all these 4 sides and even on the inside, so that we don't see the acetate over here. Okay, I'm gonna do this now.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow, grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong.
That's our shaker. So I hope you guys like it. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming up with more shaker cards.